Hey everybody, thanks for joining. Today I'm going to be giving a quick rundown of how to assemble one of our knockdown shades like this. So I think I'll take it apart, show you guys all the components, and then we'll assemble it together. Alright, let's go. So I've now gone ahead and taken it apart, and as you see, we only have three components. We have a bottom ring, a top ring, and the actual shade fabric itself. Note how this shade has a Velcro strip on this side, and only on one of these sides. This doesn't have the edge. Also, these slow rings have Velcro that wrap around this whole edge like this. There's that same Velcro on this top ring as well. Let's get started building. Now it's time to assemble. We're going to start by placing this bottom ring on a flat surface. Then take the shade fabric, using this edge that has no Velcro, we're going to start to attach. It's important to go slow here, making sure that everything is connecting. Since it's Velcro, you can always just unattach it and try again if you mess up. It's no big deal. I've now gotten to about 75% of the way around, and I'm going to grab my top ring. It's important to make sure that it's facing in this orientation. You don't want it to go this way. You want it to go this way. You see how these prongs are angled downwards? Start on the same edge and slowly attach. Take your time, make sure to go from one edge, starting the same edge as you did on the other ring. At this point, you're going to match up progress, and it's just a simple matter of pulling the shade tight, wrapping around, and finishing. When you get to this point, there's a Velcro strip inside here and a Velcro strip on the outside here. It's a simple matter of connecting those two strips. Some key tips to remember are to pull the shade tight so you don't get any waviness around the edge. As you see, assembling one of these shades is no problem. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe for more content from Uttermost, and also comment if you would like to see any other assembly videos. Thanks for watching.